Okay, time to unpack the Xtrons Audi TT Android 12 octa-core unit. Comes in a really nice packaging, quite good. Open it up and the first thing you see is a user manual, neatly packed. Oh, that's quite a neat diagram showing up for installing the Bose amplifier system. So if you have a Bose amplifier system, it also provides you with all the attachments to connect it with the Bose amplifier system in your car. In my car I do have it, so this is quite handy. Okay, whoa, tons of cables as you can see. So yeah, and then we got the real deal, the player. Quite well packaged, I would say. Looks quite neat. If you guys want to have a closer look. So yeah, the one thing I like most about the Xtron units is like you select the model of your car and the year, and they give you a compatible Android unit with the faceplate, so it integrates quite well with your existing car model. Like in my existing Audi player, I do have the passenger airbags light, so that indicator will fit in. I'll take it out from the original unit and fit into this one, so it looks quite neat to me. And no more buttons on the right hand side of my unit. It's 8.8 inch diagonal display with power on button, home button, return button, and button for volume. So yeah, that's how it looks. And closer look, Xtron has done a good job. There's a good wiring diagram that shows about all the different circuits about the unit. Quite nice heatsink with all different connections, and over here you can see circuit diagram for all the connections that you are going to plug into the unit. It gives you a neat diagram where you should plug in each connector, and there are lots of cables which I'll show you just now. So that's the box of cables that it came with, and it's quite a good number of options we have over here. Okay, let's see. That's the main one that will plug into and provide power to the unit, and this one gets attached into the connector from the car itself. We have a CAN bus decoder